नमस्कार। इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 80 सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 71 में कहा गया है अ क्लॉथ ऑफ 3 मीटर बाइट इज यूज टू मेक अ कॉनिकल टेंट 12 मीटर in diameter with a slant height of 7 meter. What is the height of the cloth? To find it, first we have to know the area of cloth. Area of cloth is L into B, which is equal to the CSA of cone. CSA of cone is equal to pi RL. So now we put values. We have given breadth equals 3, so we put breadth equals 3. Pi equals 22 upon 7 into 6 into 7. When we solve it, we get length equals 44 centimeter. So this is the answer. This is given in option C. So option C is the correct. Now next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped into a cylindrical vessel which filled partially with water. The radius of vessel is 6 centimeter. If the sphere is completely submerged, then what is the surface level of water to be reached? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में हमें अगर वॉल्यूम की बात की जाए, क्योंकि अगर पानी की बात की जा रही है तो उसके वॉल्यूम की बात की जा रही है, तो जब वॉल्यूम की बात की जाती है तब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में वॉल्यूम बराबर होती है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, वॉल्यूम्स को इक्वल लेंगे और सॉल्व कर लेंगे। वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर इक्वल वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर। वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर इक्वल्स 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. Volume of cylinder equals pi r square h. After putting values, we get h equals 1. So option B is correct. It is given in option B. Now move to next question. In the next question, we have given that a sector is cut out. This is the circle and we have to cut out a sector. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क यानी कि ये 55 दी गई है, रेडियस 21 सेंटीमीटर दी गई है। हमें एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फाइंड करना है। एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फाइंड करना है, तो इसको फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला होता है पाई अपॉन 360 थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर। लेकिन हमें थीटा नहीं पता है, तो हम थीटा आर्क लेंथ से निकालेंगे। आर्क लेंथ का फॉर्मूला होता है थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर। हमें आर्क लेंथ दी गई 55, इसे जो थीटा अपॉन 360 निकलेगा वो निकलेगा 55 ऑन 2 पाई इंटू 21। जब हम थीटा अपॉन 360 की वैल्यू एरिया में पुट करेंगे तो जो हमारे पास एरिया आएगा वह आएगा 55 ऑन 2 pi into 21 into pi into 21 into 21. After cancelling out, we get area equals 5577.5 centimeter square. So this is the correct answer. Now we move to next question. In next question, we have given that a wire is in the form of a circle of radius 70 centimeter. If it is bent in the form of a rhombus, this is wire. When it forms rhombus, what is the side length? We have to find length of rhombus. First we have to find length of wire. So it is in the form of circle. So length of wire is this. This is called circumference. Length of wire equals circumference. So we find the circumference. circumference of wire equals perimeter of rhombus. 2 pi r equals 4l. After putting value, we get L equals 110 centimeter, which is given in option D. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's move to next question. In next question, it is said that if the perimeter of a semicircular park is 360 meter, semicircular park is this type, then what is the area? This is the semicircular park, so perimeter is this pi r plus 2r. As we know that circumference of whole circle is 2 pi r, so half circle pi r plus we have to add this diameter, as this also include in the perimeter of semicircular park, so we added 2r. Now after solving, we get r equals 70. Now we have to find area, so area equals pi r square. After putting 22 upon 7 into 70 into 70, we get 7700 meter square. So this is the answer. Now let's see next question. In next question, it is said that in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. The diagonal AC and BD intersects at P. This is the trapezium, and diagonal intersect like this. We have to find this is the P point. We have to find value of x. As we know that PD upon PB equals PC upon PA by the similarity rule of triangles. By the similarity rule of triangles, we find PD upon PB equals PC upon PA. When we reciprocal these values, we get PB upon PD equals PA upon PC. Now we put values which is given in the question. PB upon PD equals 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 4. PA upon PC equals 4 upon 4 x minus 1. This is also given in the question. When we solve it, we get 2x minus 1, x minus 1 equals 2x plus 4. This form a quadratic equation. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Now by using split term method, we find value of x equals minus 1 upon 2 and 3, but minus 1 upon 2 is not possible as distance never be in negative. So x equals 3 is the correct answer, which is given in option B. Now let's move to next question. In question number 77, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then the perimeter also given. Perimeter of ABC and DEF are 40 cm and 30 cm respectively. We have to find the ratio of BC plus CA upon EF plus FD. We have to find this. To find this, first you have to know that if two triangles are similar, then CR circumradius equals inner radius equals ratio of sides equals to ratio of median equals to ratio of perimeter. These are all equal. So by this method we get ratio of side equals 4 upon 3. Now we put BC plus CA upon EF plus FD equals 4 upon 3, as this is the ratio and ratio is equals. So our value is 4 upon 3. Now move to next question. In next question we have given that two isosceles triangles have equal vertical angle and their areas are in ratio 4.84 upon 5.29. In similar, two isosceles triangle have equal vertical angles means this angle is equal to this angle and both are isosceles, so they are similar. Similar don't means they are congruent. Similar means they look alike, यानी वो एक जैसे दिखते हैं, इसका मतलब सिमिलर होता है. If they are similar then their area equals साइड का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स एरिया अपॉन एरिया, यानी कि जब हम साइड का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये एरिया के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. तो बाय दिस मेथड वी फाइंड हाइट h अपॉन h इक्वल्स √4.84 अपॉन √5.29. हमने अभी आपको बताया कि जब हम साइड या किसी भी वैल्यू का जब स्क्वायर करेंगे तभी वह किसके बराबर होगा, एरिया के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. अगर हम यहाँ से स्क्वायर हटाएंगे तो इधर क्या लग जाएगा, रूट लग जाएगा. क्या लग जाएगा, रूट. इसीलिए हमने रूट लगाया है. जब हमने रूट को सॉल्व किया तो 4.84 2.2 निकल के आया और 5.29 को 2.3 निकल के आया. इससे जो h अपॉन h की वैल्यू आ गई वो 22 अपॉन 23 आ गई, क्योंकि जो पॉइंट थे वो हट गए. Which is given, this value is given in option C. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to next question. In question number 79, it is given that ABC is a triangle right angled at A and AD is perpendicular to EC. If BD equals 8 centimeter, DC equals 12.5 centimeter, then what is ED equals to? This is direct formula based question. So let's move how to solve it. शॉर्ट ट्रिक, जब भी ऐसा कहा जाए कि एक ट्रायंगल है और यहाँ पर एक परपेंडिकुलर पड़ा है, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर हमेशा इन साइड्स के मल्टीप्लाई के बराबर होगा, यानी कि ये और इसके मल्टीप्लाई के बराबर होगा. तो भाई हमने किया है. तो AD स्क्वायर इक्वल्स BD इंटू DC. BD एंड DC की हमने वैल्यू पुट की 8 इंटू 12.5. जब 8 इंटू 12.5 की मल्टीप्लाई की तो 100 आएगा. तो AD इक्वल्स हमारा 10 निकल आया, जो कि हमें ऑप्शन डी में दिया गया है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ मूव टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. The surface area of cube is equals to that of sphere. If x is volume of the cube, y is the volume of sphere, then what is x square y square equals to? This is simple question. First write what is given. We have given surface area of cube equals surface area of sphere. So by this equation we find a square equals 4 pi r square upon 6. Now we put this value in the square of volumes. X and y are volumes and we have to do square of volumes, means a cube का whole square upon 4 upon 3 pi r cube का whole square. Now put value a square. When we put value of a square in the equation, we get x square upon y square equals pi upon 6, means x square ratio y square equals pi ratio 6, which is given in option A. So option A is the correct answer.